African way of making chicken lollipops at home with Chef Joshua Omusiisisiisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So we are going to use our chicken wing. You divide it into two pieces equally. Then after dividing it, we are going to form into a lollipop. We are doing chicken lollipops. First, cut the meat or the chicken wing at the top. Then you flip that meat until you form into a lollipop, or if you know, like a lollipop sweet. So we are forming it like a lollipop sweet. Remember, the way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen and view the test. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get the recipes. So you cut at the top. After you remove that meat, you pull it down until it form like a sweet form. Then afterwards, we are going to do our marination. Remember, the way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen and you feel the taste. So after forming it, you are going to season. So you first season is salt. First apply salt. Then after, you're going to apply the white pepper, because we are working out with what? With white meat. So I first apply salt, then white pepper next. Then after applying the white pepper, we are doing our what? Our marination. So in the bowl, we are going to apply royco chicken, apply paprika, turmeric, tomato sauce, the ginger and garlic paste. If you don't know how to make it, you just blend the ginger, the garlic and oil, then you form. Then after, we are going to mix the mixture. Then you finish off with some oil for this marination. Then after, we are going to spray on our lollipops so that we can marinate them very well. Then after coating them very well, if you are going to deep fry it without crumbling it, you first dust it. But we are going to break the egg. In that egg, we are going to apply the salt. After applying salt, you are going to whisk. After whisking, then get your wheat flour, apply some royco chicken. Then after, in another bowl, and the third bowl, apply the cornflakes crumbs or bread crumbs. Then you set it what? You set it aside. Then if you are not going to apply that, we have two versions. You're going to get the first lollipops, dust them with wheat flour. Then those ones we are going to just deep fry direct. Those ones we are going to just deep fry direct. Then the others we are going to crumble them. So first dust them in wheat flour. After, you bathe them in the eggs. Then after, finish off with the bread crumbs or cornflakes crumbs. Then put them back in the eggs. Then back to the crumbs, because we need a good what? A good coating. Remember, this is Chef Joshua Omusiisisiisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. So after that, we are going to deep fry. You are going to deep fry. Make sure that the oil is not too hot. Make sure that it's not too hot, because we need our lollipops to become ready. So deep fry until golden brown. Deep fry until golden brown. We are doing homemade chicken lollipops in African way. So this is the best dish for the kids. So you can try it for your kids at home. You can try it for anyone. So you can serve it with wedges, French fries. So you can get a foil paper and wrap it at the top so that you can make it more, or you can make it to look good or more amazing. This is Chef Joshua Omusiisisiisi. You can also try it out from my kitchen to your kitchen and you feel the taste. See you next time. The way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen.